Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather all necessary tools. You will need a T5 Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a suction cup, and anti-static wrist strap to prevent electrostatic discharge. Having a magnetic mat can also help keep track of screws. Start by powering off your Surface Pro 4 completely. Disconnect any peripherals and ensure the device is not charging. Using the T5 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the device. These screws are often small and easy to misplace, so use your magnetic mat for safekeeping. Next, gently apply the suction cup near the edge of the screen. Pull slightly to create a gap, then insert the plastic spudger into the seam. Carefully slide the spudger around the perimeter to detach the screen from the adhesive. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the display. Once the screen is removed, locate the logic board. You will see several screws holding it in place. Using the T5 screwdriver, carefully unscrew them while keeping track of their locations. Remember to ensure your workspace is static-free. Wearing an anti-static wrist strap can help. With the screws removed, gently lift the logic board from its housing. Be cautious of any attached cables. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any remaining screws or clips. Before proceeding with any repairs, it's crucial to clean the internal components. Use a soft brush and isopropyl alcohol to remove dust and debris from the logic board. This step helps improve performance and prevents future issues. Now, if you identify any damaged components on the logic board, you can either replace them or attempt a repair. If you don't have the necessary tools or expertise, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experienced technicians can help determine the best course of action. After addressing any issues, it's time to reinstall the logic board. Align it in its original position and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure all connections are snug and there are no loose cables. Next, it's time to reattach the screen. Carefully align it with the device frame and press down gently to engage the adhesive. If you find that the adhesive is weak, you can use a little extra adhesive or double-sided tape to secure it. Finally, replace the screws on the back panel, ensuring each one is tightened securely. Power on your Surface Pro 4 to check if it operates correctly. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. We offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience, ensuring no calls and no travel are necessary. You can also request a quote before any repair work begins to stay informed about costs. This concludes our tutorial on repairing the logic board of your Surface Pro 4. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can successfully complete this repair. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.